I think most people have found their way over to Happy Gilmore.
Yeah!
What the hell?
Hey, where are you going with that wheel, punk?
Mr. Gilmore, I'm your caddy.
Oh, gee, sorry about that. I'm just trying to win the wheel.
So what do I do then?
Just watch me and don't let me do anything stupid. Mr. Gilmore and Mr. Lafferty will be teeing off now.
All right, good luck. Thank you.
Get out of the way. Or were you on that one, Skip? Okay, it's time to send him home. Time to go home there, ball. Why didn't you go to your home? Don't you want to take the wheels home? Suck my white ball. Well, I'm really sorry you had to go through another one of those parody videos, but if you don't know, we're doing a massive giveaway. Wheels, tires, suspension, lighting, install, hotel stay, rental car, the whole shebang. So if you want to get entered to win, all you gotta do is come out and pick up this t-shirt. It's gonna get you automatically entered to win. I feel weird that I still have a caddy here, but I do. So, customoffsets.com/giveaway, that's where you're gonna find the shirt. That's where you'll get automatically entered to win. Also, at the end of this contest, we're making a huge contribution to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. So we set a goal to raise $20,000 and we've already exceeded where we should be now. We're at like 15, 16,000, I think, all thanks to you guys who are chipping in extra. So we really do appreciate everybody helping out on this and helping us be able to make that contribution. So it's any size, any finished wheels from XD KMC. We got Ready Lift on board for the lift kit, Nitto tires, Black Label lighting, install at Offset's Garage, here inside Custom Offsets in Appleton. All you gotta do is get us the truck. We'll take care of everything else. Like I said, if you want to win, customoffsets.com/giveaway. You'll see the shirt. This is the back. That's all you gotta do. Peace.